Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, we are going to solve TCS NQT sample question. Friends, I know many of you now struggling to solve the questions in 30 seconds or within 1 minute of the time. But today, whatever questions we have are the standard problem, and all these questions we are going to solve within 1 minute. So please watch the video till the end, and then you'll able to understand that how can we solve the TCS question within the given time limit of 1 minute or 1.4 minute. Friends, I might take little more time here because I need to explain each and every basics of the questions, and that's how it might take more than 2 to 3 minutes. But I will also show you how we could have easily done within 30 seconds or maximum a minute of time. So let x, y, z be a three-digit number where x plus y plus z is not a multiple of 3. Then x, y, z plus y, z, x plus z, x, y is not divisible by. Now, here what we can do, we can assume x, y, z, okay? We can assume x, y, z, okay? And such that we have to assume that it is not a multiple of 3. So friends, we know the divisibility rule of 3, right? So what is the divisibility rule of 3, friends? See, the sum of digits should be divisible by sum of digits should be divisible by 3. So this is nothing but the divisibility rule of 3. So x, y, z I will assume as 1, 2 and 2. Okay, see, x, y, z should be a three-digit number. That is one condition. Okay, so 122 is a three-digit number where x plus y plus z is not a multiple of 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So yes, 5 is not a multiple of 3. You can assume any number. It's not 1 2 2. You can assume 2 1 2. You can assume 2 2 1. So whatever you want, 2 2 1, whatever you want, you will be able to assume. Only thing you have to keep in mind that their sum should not be a multiple of 3. Now, what is the question? Then xyz plus yzx plus zxy is not divisible by. Okay, see, after this normal method I will show you how we could have solved this in the given time. So xyz is nothing but 1 2 2, and then yzx, so y is 2, z is 2 and x is 1, and then zxy, so z is 2, x is 1 and y is 2. Now if we'll add this, so this will become 555. That means their sum is nothing but 555. Now 555, I can also write 5 into 1 into 1, 5 into triple 1, right? Okay, now see this triple 1, if you will take their sum, then 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. That means this number is divisible by 3. Now I can also write this 3 into 37 because 111 will be divisible by 3, and how many times? So definitely 37 times. Now we can see here, so this number will be divisible by 5, right? So if we'll divide by 5, yes, 5 will divide 5. This number will be also divisible by 3. So 3 will divide 3. This number will be also divisible by 37. Okay, now, so it will be divisible by 3. It will be divisible by 37. Okay, now, and then they are asking, is it divisible by x plus y plus z? So what is x plus y plus z? X plus y plus z is nothing but 5. Yes, it is divisible by 5. Okay, so it is divisible by d. See, we have assumed x, y, z is 1 2 and 2. So by which number it is not divisible? So this will not be divisible by 9. Only one option is left. So we can put here that, sir, this number is not divisible by 9. Now the same question if we have to do in 30 seconds, or okay, so in between 30 seconds to 1 minute, if the same question has to be done in between 30 seconds to 1 minute, then what you will do? So xyz be a three-digit number is not a multiple of 3. So we will assume 1 2 2. Okay, then x plus y plus z. So xyz 1 2 2, yzx. So yzx will be what? So y2, z is 2 1, and then zxy. So it will be 2 1 2. So it will be nothing but 5 5 5. So 5 5 5 we can write 5 into 3 into 37, right? 5 into triple 1. Okay, now so it will be divisible by x plus y plus z. Okay, it will be divisible by 3. Okay, it will be divisible by 37. So it will not be divisible by 9. But you also need to understand the basics. So that is the reason I am explaining with the complete process, so that it will be there with you and you will be able to solve more questions of this particular type. Okay, I hope this is helping you out, and let me increase the size of my video, so that it will be more you can more visualize actually what I am teaching and how I am teaching. Okay, so you will be able to visualize more. Now, so friends, question number 2. So how many 5-digit prime number can be obtained by using all the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 without the repetition of digits? So the answer will be 5, 4, 9, 3, 12, and 12 plus 2 will be 14 plus 1, 15. Then your answer will be 0. That's all. So not even 30 seconds is required to solve this particular question. But you need to understand the concept. See, if you read the question, I'm damn sure at least 2 to 3 times you will be reading this question to understand what has been told. That itself will take 20 seconds, and the remaining 40 seconds you'll have to solve the question. But if you have gone through all these classes, then it is definitely gonna help you a lot. So how many 5-digit prime number? So basically you need to make 5-digit prime number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so basically you need to make 5-digit prime number. Okay, using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, using this 5 digit, we can make a number like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We can make a number like 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. We can make a number like 4, 3, 5, 1, 2. Okay, so like this you will be able to make the numbers using this. And total how many? So 5 numbers are there. So 5 factorial means total 120 numbers you will be able to make. But they're asking you, tell me how many of the numbers will be the prime number. Okay, now friends, we know clearly the prime number is a number which will be divisible by 1 or itself. Okay, 1 or itself. Now, so if you are going to make a number using this, okay, now whatever number you make, okay, if you'll take their sum, if you will take their sum, then 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, and 14 plus 1 will be 15. So whatever number you make, their sum is 15. That means it will be divisible by 3. So if you make any 5-digit number using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that number sum will be always 15. That means that number will be always divisible by 3. So you cannot find any prime number using 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I hope this will be clear to you, and answer for the question number 2 will become 0. Okay, question number 2 answer will become 0, right? So friends, like this we will be able to solve the question. So we have started TCS and other companies previous 10-year 200 plus aptitude and reasoning question discussion. Okay, and the classes started from yesterday. So yesterday we had done only the basic, the introduction part. Okay, and daily classes is happening from 7 to 8 p.m. and they started 27th of November. Yesterday only introduction was there, and it will end on 11th of December. So friends, if you want to learn how to solve the questions in that given time and how to increase your speed, then definitely a classes is required. And you can also see the price of this cost is just 199 rupees. Friends, I know if you'll have one pizza also, it will cost you 250 rupees minimum. So this courses is definitely going to change at least your mindset, that how you should attempt the question, how you should approach towards the question. So definitely this, all those things is going to help you out. So the link of this course will be given in description. If you have not enrolled it, then today is the last chance. We will not be able to accommodate you from tomorrow, because already we have got the enough registration. Okay, so please do it today. And question number 3 is a question from time and work, and let us see how can we solve this. So a person X completes 20% of the work in 8 days. Now friends, so a person X is there who is able to complete 20% of work in 8 days. So 100% of the work, that means if you multiply by 5, so here also you multiply by 5. So 100% of the work X will be able to complete in 40 days. Very simple. Okay, now, and a person Y, okay, a person Y can complete 25% of the same work in 6 days. Now what we can do here, we can multiply by 4 here, and again we can multiply by 4 here. So Y will be able to complete 100% of the work in only 24 days. Okay, now see, now we know that X will be able to complete the work in 40 days and Y will be able to complete the work in 24 days. Let us take the LCM. So we will be using the LCM method to solve this question. If you do not know the basics, then on our channel, you can search time and work online study for you. The basics has been already covered. So either you take LCM or you assume a number which is divisible by both, it will become our work. So 43 is a and 24 5s are. This became our efficiency. That means X can complete 3 work in a day, Y can complete 5 work in a day. Now, in how many days will 40% of the work will be completed? So total 100% of the work is 120. Now 40% of the work will become what? So 1010 cancelled, 1010 cancel. So 48 is nothing but 40% of the work. Now this 48 work, 40% of the work, who is going to complete? So this has to be completed by together X and Y. So X can complete 3 work in a day, Y can complete 5 work in a day. So 8 and this is 6 times. So they will take 6 days to complete 40% of the work. Okay. So I hope it will be clear to you. And friends, so this question, if somebody, or TCS or any other companies would have asked you to solve in 30 seconds or in 1 minute, no problem. See, 20% of the work in 8 days. So if you will experience or if you will do some calculation, so 5 times. So X will be able to complete the work in 40 days. And then Y 25% in 6 days. So 100% means 4 times. So Y will be taking 24 days. LCM will be nothing but 120. So this is 3 times and this is 5 times. Okay, clear. Now 40% of the work. So 120 into 40 by 100. So we will be able to see that is 48. Who has to complete X and Y? So 5 plus 3, 8, 6 days. How much time it will take? Trust me, it will only take 30 seconds of yours. But before that, you need to know the basics. Before that, you need to know each and everything about your aptitude, and that is the reason this courses is going to help you. So friend, do not think about money. 199 rupees is not a big deal. This will change your thinking. How do you think? How do you approach the mathematics and the reasoning question? So this is what it is going to impact at your mindset level, and you will be also able to do in easier way. Okay, because everything will be covered from very much, all the questions will be covered from very much basics. Okay, now what is a list 4-digit number when divided by 3, 4, 5 and 6 leaves a remainder of 2 in each case? So let me subtract 2. So 10102, no. So 213, okay. So the answer should be this, okay. And then 2 plus 2, 4, no. Okay, and then here 5, no. So it is very clear that option B will be the correct answer. It will hardly take 30 seconds, okay. But now for you to do, you need to understand how it has been done, how this question has to be handled. Okay, so let us see. Option A is 1012, option B 1022, option C 1122, and option D it is 122. Now the question is, what is the least 4-digit number when divided by 3, 4, 5 and 6 leaves a remainder of 2 in each case? So friends, if I ask you to divide 7 by 2, okay, so what will be remainder? The remainder will be 1. 2 3s are 6, 1 will be remainder. Now, so whatever remainder you get, if you subtract from 7, then that number should be completely divisible by 2. Okay, so I hope that you understand. Now the same thing I am going to do here. So if I will subtract 2, okay, from the option, then definitely the correct option will be divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now so if I'll subtract, it will be 1010. Okay, if I'll subtract 1020, 1120 and 1220. Now so it is divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let us first see, so if which numbers are divisible by 3. So what is the sum of digit? Sum of digit is 2, not divisible by 3. Sum of digit is 2 plus 1 3. So this might be divisible by 3. Definitely this is divisible by 3, but there might be one more option. Let us check. 2 plus 2 is 4. Definitely this will not be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits again 5. It will be not be divisible by 3. So obviously option 2 is the number. Okay, so if we divide by 3, 4, 5 and 6, it will give you a remainder of 2 in each case. I hope this will be also very much clear to you. Now question number 5. What is the remainder when 51, 27, 35, 62 and 75 is divided by 100? So here you have 1 0, okay, and 5 into 2 is 10. So your remainder should be ending with 0. So option A will become the correct answer directly. So that's what in the beginning I said, all the question will be taking 30 seconds to 1 minute. So what is the remainder when we divide 51 into 27 into 35 into 62 into 75. Okay, and if we divide this by 100 now, so if I ask you to divide 150 by 100, then what will be your remainder? So 100 1 ja 1. Okay, so 50 will be the remainder. Okay, now if I will ask you to divide 1760 by 100, so 100 1 ja 100. Okay, then 100 7 ja 700, and then 60 will be the remainder. Okay, now if I ask you to divide 110. Okay, so 100 1 ja 100. Okay, so now, so friends, whenever you divide with 100, okay, so your remainder will be the last two digit. Okay, the remainder will be the last two digit. You can take any number, there is no problem at all. So you can take any number, and if you divide it by 100, it will be the last two digit. Okay, now, so friends, what is the last digit here? 5 into 2 is 10. See, if we have to divide 567 by 100, so 100 fives are 500. So what will be the remainder? The remainder will be the last two digit. So now, if we multiply 5 into 2, 10. Okay, so we are sure that the last digit is 0. Okay, and other number we are not sure. Okay, so it will be something like that. Now, if we divide by 100, then we are damn sure that our remainder will be the second last digit with 0. Now we have only one option where we have 0 as the last digit in the remainder. So friends, this is how, see, all the questions whatever we have solved today, frankly speaking, so all the questions just need you know to put your mind into that actually. So you have to think in a different direction. If you are also thinking like other student, then you will not be able to solve more questions. Okay, so now in November you have exam, in December you have exam of TCS. So if you are not able to use your mind, then definitely you will be struggling during the examination. And that is what we are teaching in the 15 days of the session, that how we have to see everybody has the same knowledge, but the difference will only come when you will start thinking. Okay, so friends, if you really want to think and if you really want to do well, then today is the last day to enroll in this course. So enroll, and then at least change your mindset. Okay, try to think in a different direction, and that we will enable you to do that. That is what I'm doing in this session. I'm not doing very great thing in this session, and that is the reason we are covering the previous year question and giving you the ideas that how you can make aptitude and reasoning easier. So if you like the session, do not forget to share with your friends and come and join me. I am doing the classes daily at 7 to 8 p.m. So please come, do join us and see the magic when you solve maths and reasoning in the TCS examination. Thank you. Take care and all the best for all your examination. I know this time we are going to make maths very easy.